are pleased to show you the 2018 Audi A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, leather seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.